Abaqus tutorial lesson 112. How to apply imperfection to dynamic explicit. Compress a pipe. Example. Added keyword. The video is very relaxed. Okay, let's go. Hard. $100. Okay. Property. Density. Plastic. I don't care. No highly. Okay. Only one. And the analysis need the Abaqus first. Abaqus first. Okay. The second dynamic explicit apply imperfection. Abaqus analysis is a must. Six model. Okay. Mesh. Okay, boundary. Apply. Okay. Added the keyword. This area. Node file last model equal because the total is 6 model. If the number 3, what's the meaning? We can apply 1 model imperfection, 2 model imperfection, 3 model imperfection. This meaning, if the number is 1, we can only give 1 model imperfection. Did you understand? If 3, we can apply 3 model imperfection. Okay. You node file last model equal 3. Okay. Save model. Job 1. Okay, just wait. Okay, finished. Okay, total 6. Okay, copy added keyword delete and I think this will just wait. Okay. Oh no, wait. Replace the step dynamic explicit. Okay. Dynamic explicit. Added the keywords again. Step one. Okay. Imperfection file equal job 1 step 1 step equal 1. Okay, one model, for example, two model, three model. Okay, you can give the value by yourself. Imperfection. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Because dynamic explicit, so amplitude must be given. Drop 2. Date check. I want to calculate this model. I only saw the operation procedure. I think it's no problem. Okay. When date check finished, continue. Okay. Okay, I hope you catch me. This is my Chinese WeChat. Okay. If you have any problem, should better contact my WeChat. See you tomorrow.